Hey guys, welcome to another video. So, the new Paperface update just came out. We have everything that I covered before in the other update, except for a little invite friends thing, and a little thing for joining the group. So, it's mostly the main map now, so yeah. You also can vote for maps now, it seems. So, we should vote for the new map. Hopefully we get that. Okay, so in my earlier leak videos, this has changed a lot. Like a lot, 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 a lot. This area is not blank anymore. The wood's fully covered. There's a little like whatever this is, a gold mining spot. More stuff over here. This building now has like furnaces and coal. Really well done. Definitely an abandoned sawmill, so my guess was right before. Oh, the upstairs area. Do the saws do anything? Oh, they do. They make you fall over. Okay, timber and trouble. Okay. Oh, there's a clue. Check engine. So we'll do that. The truck is fully done. Can we leave the property? No. Oh. Ooh, the meeting looks really cool. Oh. Why is there a little thing? Okay. So there's a no vote button now. Oh, skip. Like a fast forward button, no vote. This is a really good update. I seem to be wanting to get voted out for some reason. Which someone is insisting it's me. Anyway, continuing on, all of our little empty boxes, or empty little shelters here, have been finished. I like the cartoony look on this. I find it quite intriguing. And I'm also very impressed on how fast they got this done. It's like very well made. Oh, we haven't checked out the bottom area. Here's the bottom area. Pretty simple. Blah blah yada yada. That seems to be pretty much it. So, well, I guess, yeah. I'll see you later. Toodles.